Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm your Deepti ma'am. Today we are going to learn about numbers 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Which number is this? Number 1. Number 1. How many apple is there? 1 apple. 1 apple. How many apple is there? 1 apple. Very good. And which number is this? Number 2. Number 2. How many cars are there? 2 cars. Let's count the cars, okay? 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 cars, okay? And which number is this? Number 3. Number 3. Okay, what is this? These are balloons. These are balloons. So, how many balloons are there? Let's count the balloons, okay? 1, 2, 3. How many balloons? 3 balloons. Very good. 3 balloons. So, next one is number 4. Number 4. Oh, wow. What is this? The beautiful flower. है ना? Okay. How many flowers are there? Let's count the flowers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many flowers are there? 4 flowers. So next number is number 5. Number 5. Oh wow. What is this? This is a crayons. This is a crayons. Okay. Now tell me how many crayons are there? Let's count it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many crayons are there? 5 crayons. Very good, children. I hope you all are enjoying this video. See you next class. Bye bye, children.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.